So normally when you don't open your Phantom wallet like this, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see something like search page there, search icon. Tap on that search. Then the bar above where you fit type something, just type Jupiter. When you type Jupiter, you see the first one will go show up after that page don't load finish. You see Jupiter. When you tap on that Jupiter, it go open like this. Then you click on open. It will take some time to boot and open. When it don't open, you see them. You see these two. You see USDC on top. You see Solana downstairs. All right. So for your for your Phantom wallet, you get Solana. Now Solana, na Phantom wallet they use. So Solana is the base currency with which you can use to buy any other currency. It could be like say you swap them to any other currency. All right. So the moment you download your Phantom, your wallet is automatically connected. So if you get Solana in there, look at this place now. Solana did down. So they say you are using USDC to buy Solana. Now in this page they talk so, but that's not the case. In this case, you have Solana. You want to buy any other coin. So you tap on the two arrows, up and down arrows, where they the middle, to put the Solana on top. Now what this means now is that you are using Solana to buy the coin with the under, but not be USDC you want buy. That Telegram group what I sent to you now, if they recommend any coin, they will always give you what they call contract address. So tap on the USDC. Then that contract address where they give you, you can paste it here in that box. You do go already copy them for that group. You paste them for here. If you paste them for here, the coin will get that contract address go show up. Then you just simply tap on it. When you tap on the coin, you can now write the amount of Solana that you want to use to buy that coin. Any amount you write here now, let's say I want to use 1 Solana or 1 Solana to buy the coin. You go see, you go tell me how many of that coin what I go get. You don't need to rush this thing. This is what they tell you now. Nobody teach me. It's just a matter of time, practice. Now you will take understand that. Not waiting you go understand in a day. So it's as simple as that. If now 12 Solana I want buy, you go calculate how many of that coin what I go get. Okay, so on that group, be free to interact. You can even ask questions. Yeah, which coin, which meme coin I fit buy? Any coin they give you, they must give you the contract address. You just use this format. Then you buy the coin, you bag it. Then one day you go here see the coin they pump. All you need to do now is when you hear see the coin they pump, now to still come back to this same Jupiter. That time, that coin, as it don't pop, now you go come day on top. Now you want to sell it and use it to buy Solana. You know, before you use Solana to buy the coin, now you can't use the coin, convert it back to Solana, then cash out your money. It's as simple as that.